Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add affiliate links to on Instagram. So this is as you can see that this is a Instagram profile, and here you can see that link tree is added. So I'm going to click on that and it will redirect to the page where you can see multiple offers. So let me show you the multiple offers. So here you can see that. So basically this is created on the link tree. So let me show you what is the link tree. So you need to create your account on the link tree. If I found a link, I will mention the link in the description, and then you simply need to log in. You can check the pricing as well here about the link tree pricing. So I'm going to add my name and my password as well here to log in. So now as you can see that I am in my LinkedIn, my Linktree dashboard. Here you can see that different options that I added. So you can add links from here. As you can see that this is my page that I created. You can see Coursera, 1 month free Skillshare, TikTok growth, Instagram growth, video editing. And here you can see my Instagram, my TikTok and my WhatsApp as well. So here is the page. So once you created that page, so you simply need to copy that link, share, click on share, and you simply need to copy that link and you need to share that anywhere wherever you want. You can add this on your Instagram profile bio, and once someone click on that, he will see this like this and he can choose any offer that he wants. So this is the process how you can add affiliate links on Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.